Hello everybody. Hello everybody. And today we're gonna make some slimes, and now you're saying what type of slime? Of course I haven't unlocked every single slime, but it's okay. So today we're doing milky slime. We're gonna add this, then this. I'll tell you when I'm finished with it. Alright, now our slime is done, and now we're gonna add some dark, whatever that, how you pronounce it, I don't actually know. Oh my god, the color's so beautiful, I really love it. Okay, so now, where do you think I should put this? Tell me in the comments below. Meanwhile, I will put, flowers, because who doesn't love flowers? I will make it the matching color and put it everywhere. And now we're gonna add some glitter, no wait, not glitter, we're gonna add some bows. I'll tell you when I'm done. Alrighty, we're done, and we're gonna name this Blue Flowers. Sorry, with the heart on it, yes. Oh dang it, it doesn't show, but who cares? Look at this beautiful slime. In fact, I love these slimes because whenever you do this, one second, because whenever you do this, it's so amazing, and I recommend. But I'm gonna give it to I keep on messing up. I'm gonna give it to someone. I'm gonna give it to this is actually a test, so you guys can see. I'm gonna put it blue, and I'm gonna send it to my sister, because she's really amazing. And I'm gonna center it. Here is some slime for you, cause you are amazing, like me, like me. Oh, did I record that? There we give out our slime. The best part is we still have it, because we made extras. So if any of you guys want it, just did I have it? 1 second. Actually, I'll check something. Be right back. Okay. Wait. Okay. So now I'm gonna actually what is this? Drama's page link. Yes. You know how I'm much surprised. Oh, she must be really kind. Okay, search, because you know. Let me see what she gave me. She's so kind. Oh my god, I'm getting the gift. You're so wrong! Oh my god, I'm so sad. She wrote as clear as nothing, as you can see, and I'm showing it on the what's it called? On the screen right now. like equals 1 help for me. So that way I cannot be nothing. Like that besides. So before I stop, this is what she wrote to me. Oh my god. Oh my god.